Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for a Hagan Scholarship account. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser, and then in the URL box type in haganscholarship.org and search. You will now find yourself in the main homepage for Hagan Scholarship. The Hagan Scholarship is a nationwide need-based merit scholarship for high-achieving, self-motivated students. Recipients can receive up to $6,000 each semester, which add up to a maximum of $48,000 over 8 consecutive semesters. The scholarship aims to help students graduate college debt-free, but you must have some eligibility for yourself in order to apply for this scholarship. Once you get to the official website for Hagan Scholarship, go ahead and click on the application option and select the application menu. You will now be able to see all the information related to the scholarship application. The activation link will be activated in the mentioned date over here, and once it is activated, you can follow through the instructions on the screen. Before that, make sure to go through the information and make sure that you are eligible for the scholarship. If you meet these requirements over here that is mentioned on the screen, you will be able to apply for scholarship on Hagan. Make sure to visit the page and click on the link that will be activated on the following date, and you will be able to submit your application and create a new account for a Hagan Scholarship. So that's how you can easily apply for a scholarship or sign up for a Hagan Scholarship account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.